In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell games on eBay. We'll walk through the full listing flow, starting on the eBay homepage and finishing with a live listing, so you can confidently get your games in front of buyers. Start on eBay and click Sell in the top navigation. This opens your selling hub. Choose Create Listing to begin a fresh product page. eBay first asks what you're selling. Type the exact title of your game, include the platform like PS5, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, or PC to surface the most accurate results. From the suggestions, pick the product that matches yours as closely as possible. Matching a catalog entry pre-fills details and puts your item in the right category. If your game has a specific edition or region code, make sure the option you choose reflects that. Next, select the item's condition. For this walkthrough, we'll choose brand new, but always select the condition that truly fits your copy. Accurate condition builds trust and reduces returns. Click. Continue to listing to move into the detailed editor. Add photos by selecting Upload from Computer. Use bright, even lighting, and a clean background. Show the front and back of the case, the disc or cartridge, any inserts and close-ups of seals or shrink wrap if it's new. If there are imperfections, photograph them clearly. Transparency helps your listing stand out and avoids disputes. Craft a strong title. Include the game name, platform, edition, and condition, and keep it clear and readable. Avoid filler or symbols that don't help buyers search. Then complete the item specifics. Fill out as many fields as you can. Platform, publisher, format, rating, region code, UPC if available, and any special features. These specifics feed eBay's filters and can dramatically improve visibility. Write a thorough description. Summarize the item, what's included, and its condition in plain language. Mention any defects or missing materials, and set expectations for handling time and packaging care. Clarity here saves time later. Set your price. Check recent sold listings for similar condition and platform to choose a competitive number. You can set a fixed price, and if you like, enable offers so interested buyers can negotiate. Remember to account for fees, shipping, and packaging. Configure shipping. Choose your service, enter weight and dimensions, and set a fair cost or offer free shipping if your margin allows. Games ship well in bubble mailers or small boxes. Add padding and include tracking. Review everything, then click it. List it. Your game is now live. Keep an eye on messages and offers, and when it sells, pack it securely and ship promptly. That's the entire flow for listing a game on eBay.